Hey, so if you're getting a network error in Google Gemini, like connection failed or network issue, yeah, don't worry. This is a common problem and usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Google Gemini network errors in 2026. First thing, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet is the main reason behind network errors. Next, restart your router. So, this refreshes your network and fixes temporary connection issues. All right, refresh the page. This reconnects Gemini to the server. Now turn off VPN or proxy. These can sometimes block or slow down connections. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. So, this removes any corrupted data affecting connectivity. All right, switch networks. Try mobile data or a different Wi-Fi connection. And yeah, try another browser or device. This helps confirm if the issue is device specific. So that's how you fix Google Gemini network errors. Once your connection is stable, it should work normally again.